Right, here I am with my GoPro 8, and what I'm going to do today is show you how to add horizon leveling. You don't need to buy a GoPro 9. GoPro aren't telling people this, so let's get some footage. You need to set it to 2.7K because that's the highest you can add the self-leveling, same as the GoPro 9. So here goes, and this is what you're going to do. Right, so we're in my back garden, and I'm turning it, I'm rotating the GoPro. Here we are, rotating, rotate, rotate, and they're straight. We'll rotate again. Rotating. So I've done a few 360 rotations, and now I'm going to take you and show you how you add the horizon leveling. You need to download the Quick app from the App Store. It may ask you to subscribe. You don't have to do that. Just click the cross in the top corner, sync your camera to it. Once you've got your camera all synced to it, you then need to open a live view to your camera. Click on the data or the video you want to view. So we're viewing that. And then click the arrow in the bottom left to download to your app. You need it to download from the camera to the app. Once it's in the app, you can then open it within the app and it will give you extra options. So if you look at the bottom, click on the pencil, then click on the frame next to the scissors, click the horizon leveling next to the fit. The horizon leveling, you'll see me click it again. Right, I've clicked it up and the camera's spinning, but it's not spinning because I've added horizon leveling. In the bottom, tick it. Once it's ticked at the bottom, then you need to export it to your camera roll in your phone or your iPad or whatever you're doing it on. And once you've got that, you can then export it into Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, whatever you're using. Just remember that the highest resolution you can run this in is 2.7K. Also, make sure it's in the wide lens setting. As I've done this just for a demonstration, I didn't check the settings for the hypersmooth. I only had it on standard hypersmooth. You can have set that to high if you want to, and it'll come out a lot better. Something else to remember is you do not need to subscribe to GoPro Quick. It's fine for the basic use of the app. It's great for just using the horizon leveling and viewing your live camera. Anything else, they'll want you to subscribe. So don't subscribe. Here we are back in my back garden with the GoPro 7 Black. Now this time, to add horizon leveling, you need to make sure that the stabilization hypersmooth is turned off. Make sure hypersmooth is turned off in the settings. The file with the information for hypersmooth will still be there on the MP4. So when you transfer the file, we can still use that data, but it needs to be turned off. So here we go. We're going to add horizon leveling. So we're going to do 360 turns here in my sunny back garden. Remember, there's no hypersmooth on, it's turned off, but the file is still on with the MP4 as metadata. It's got some kids walking past. Now you've got your file with the Hypersmooth turned off, you need to load it onto your computer. Then you need to download Real Steady Go, spelt R-E-E-L, Real Steady Go. Once you've got that, you can Google it to find it. Once you've got that, you need to open it up, click on the file you want to download, and let it do its thing. Once the screen returns back to normal, click down in the bottom right on the options and then go up to the top left in options and click Lock Horizon. You can also alter the amount of Hypersmooth you add to it as much as you want, and as much cropping or little cropping as you want. Then let it do its thing again. And then you need to go to the right hand side and click Save the Video. Right, congratulations, you've just added Hypersmooth 3.0 and horizon leveling to a GoPro 5, 6, 7, take your pick. It will do it with any GoPro. It will also work with the GoPro 9 and give you horizon leveling in 4K or 5K, which currently you cannot do that with a GoPro 9. I believe you can also do the other GoPros up to 4K as well with horizon leveling and Hypersmooth 3.0. Real Steady app is a GoPro app that was originally free. Now I believe they charge between £80 and £100. You can get a code to get it for £60, and what you could do is just download the demo version like I've done. Real Steady Go it's called, and they had this before you'd even heard of Hypersmooth 3.0 or horizon leveling. Yeah, this had it on. But you can download the demo version like I've done and try it out. All you'll have to do is give a email address and they'll email you a demo code for it once you've downloaded the app.